Chapter 2: Microorganisms, Friends and Foes. Write 3 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. Bacteria like lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese. Acetobacter acetic is used for producing acetic acid from alcohol. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are the medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microbes. They are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms. They are used to cure a variety of diseases. What precautions must be taken while taking antibiotics? It is important to take antibiotics only on the advice of qualified doctor. One must finish the course prescribed by the doctor to make the drug more effective. Antibiotics must be not taken unnecessarily because it may kill beneficial bacteria also. Antibiotics are, however, not effective against cold and flu as they are caused by virus. Name the groups in which microorganisms are broadly classified. They are classified into 5: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and virus. Any 2 diseases caused by virus in humans: chickenpox and polio. Which animal causes dengue? Aedes mosquitoes. Define cyst, bacteriophage, pathogen, parasite and vector. Cyst, harder outer covering enclosing microorganisms to protect from unfavorable conditions. Bacteriophage, virus which affects bacteria. Pathogen, disease-causing microorganisms. Parasite, an organism that lives on or inside the body of another living organism. Vector, living organism which carry pathogen from infected person to healthy person. What are the different types of bacteria? Cocci, shaped as spherical. Example, Staphylococcus. Bacilli, shaped as rod. Example, Salmonella typhi. Spiral, shaped as spiralium. Example, Treponema. Curved, shaped as comma. Example, Vibrio. What are the different types of fungi? Yeast, unicellular. Example, Candida. Mildew, unicellular. Example, grape. Molds, multicellular. Example, Penicillium. Mushroom, multicellular. Example, Agaricus. What are the different types of algae? Green algae, red algae, diatom, blue-green algae, brown algae. What are the different types of protozoa? Amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena. Write the disease in animals. Anthrax. Pathogen is bacteria. The transmission agent is contaminated air and infected animals. Rinderpest. The pathogen is virus and the transmission agent is infected animal, contaminated air and water. Foot and mouth disease. Pathogen is virus. Transmission agent is contact with diseased animals. Write the disease in plants. Citrus canker. The pathogen is bacteria. It spreads through air. Rust. The pathogen is fungi. Infected air and seeds. Yellow vein mosaic. Pathogen is virus, spreads by insects. The blight disease. Fungi. Transmits through fungal spores. What are the advantages of food preservation? Food preservation has the following advantages. It prevents the food from getting spoiled by the action of microorganisms. It increases the storage period of food materials. It helps in the availability of off-season foods. It makes the transportation of food materials easy. List the various methods of food preservation. The methods are heating, pasteurization, freezing, canning, using salt, sugar, oil and vinegar, drying,